Hey guys, welcome to Febsketch tutorials, and in this tutorial series we will be looking how to make a 2D platformer game like this using Unity game engine. So let's start with the basics in this first video. So let's open the Unity game engine. For creating a new game, click on the new button here. Give a suitable name for the project. I am giving it as 2D platformer. And here you can see there are many options like 2D, 3D, 3D with extras, high definition RP, LWRP template. Since we are making a 2D game, click on 2D template and click on the create button. So we have opened up our Unity game engine, and I will explain some of the basics like different tools and windows which are available in Unity. This is the scene window where we will be able to create and add different game objects like our characters, platforms, enemies, and so on. And I am building a 3D game object, you can see. And the 2D button is used for switching between 3D and 2D modes. So you can see here, we can drag these things and change the locations accordingly. Next we will look at the game window where we can play the final output of the game. And the hierarchy tab at the left side will display all our scenes and different objects we will be adding to our game scene. And in the project tab, we can organize the assets used in our games like scenes, scripts, images, etc. We can see a bigger view of the contents in the project tab when we select here. If there are any errors, warnings, and any other message generated by Unity while running our game, these will be displayed here in the console tab. If we select any game object from the hierarchy window, we will be able to see and edit different settings that related to the object in the inspector window. And this is the hand tool which is used to drag our scene window, and we can also zoom in and zoom out by scrolling up and down. Next we will look on the move tool that can be used to move the objects in X, Y, Z directions. The rotate tool can be used to rotate objects in the scene. And the scale tool is used for scaling the objects. And a different type of scaling can be done using the rectangle tool or the rect tool. And this tool is a combined of all these functions of moving, rotating, and scaling. These are some of the basics we need for creating our game. In the next video, we will start making our 2D game by creating players, platforms, enemies, and so on. If you like this video, please support us by like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.